Hi everybody, it's me Blippy. I'm so excited to have you here today because we are going to embark on a colourful adventure. Welcome to my colour mixing lab. Today we're going to have so much fun mixing colours and making new ones. Have you ever wondered how new colours are made? Well, today we're going to find out together. Are you ready? Put on your scientist goggles and let's get started. Safety first, right? Scientists always wear their goggles to protect their eyes. We have lots of colours to mix today. Red, blue, yellow, so many possibilities. These are our primary colours. Do you know what happens when we mix them? Mixing colours is like magic. You put two colours together and whoosh, a brand new colour appears. For example, if we mix red and blue, we get purple. Isn't that amazing? Are you excited? I know I am. Let's start mixing and see what colourful surprises we can create. We can make green by mixing blue and yellow, and orange by mixing red and yellow. The possibilities are endless. This is a colour wheel. It helps us understand how different colours relate to each other. By using the colour wheel, we can predict what new colours we can create by mixing two or more colours together. Let's try mixing some colours now. I'll start with red and yellow. Watch closely as they blend together to make a beautiful orange. Isn't that cool? Now let's try blue and yellow to make green. Wow, look at that vibrant green. Now it's your turn. Grab your paintbrushes and start mixing your own colours. Remember, there are no mistakes in colour mixing, only happy accidents. Have fun experimenting and discovering new colours. Look at all the amazing colours we've created together. You all did such a fantastic job. Keep practicing and exploring the wonderful world of colours. Until next time, keep being curious and creative. First, we'll start with red. Red is such a vibrant and powerful colour. It's often associated with strong emotions like love and excitement. When you see red, it can make your heart race a little faster. Think about all the things that are red in the world around us. Red is a bright and cheerful colour like fire trucks and strawberries. Fire trucks are always ready to rush to the rescue, their bright red colour making sure everyone notices them. And strawberries with their juicy sweetness are a delightful treat that many people love. Red can be found in so many places, from the clothes we wear to the flowers in our gardens. Let's put some red paint on our palette. Next, we need yellow. Yellow is another wonderful colour, full of warmth and happiness. It's the colour of sunshine and joy. When you see yellow, it can make you feel cheerful and bright, just like a sunny day. Yellow reminds me of the sun and happy little chicks. The sun gives us light and warmth, helping plants grow and making our days bright. And those adorable little chicks with their fluffy yellow feathers are a symbol of new beginnings and life. Yellow is a colour that can lift your spirits and make you smile. Let's add some yellow paint next to the red paint. Now we have two beautiful colours on our palette. But what happens when we mix them together? This is where the magic happens in painting. Mixing colours can create entirely new shades and hues, opening up a world of possibilities. Now, for the fun part, let's mix them together. When you mix red and yellow, you get a brand new colour. It's like a little science experiment right on your palette. The process of mixing colours can be so exciting because you never know exactly what shade you'll end up with. We can use our paintbrush to swirl the colours around and around. Watch as the red and yellow blend together, creating a beautiful new colour. The more you mix, the more the colours combine, and you can see the transformation happening right before your eyes. Look, red and yellow make orange. Orange is such a lively and energetic colour. It's a perfect blend of the passion of red and the happiness of yellow. Orange can remind us of so many wonderful things in our world. It's the colour of pumpkins and basketballs. Wow, wasn't that amazing? Pumpkins with their rich orange hue are a staple of autumn and Halloween, and basketballs bouncing energetically on the court are a symbol of fun and teamwork. Mixing colours can be a magical experience, showing us how different elements can come together to create something entirely new and beautiful. Now let's try another colour combination. Mixing colours can be so much fun and full of surprises. Today, we are going to explore what happens when we mix two primary colours, blue and yellow. These colors are vibrant and full of life, and when they come together, they create something truly magical. This time we'll use blue and yellow. Blue and yellow are primary colors, which means they cannot be created by mixing other colors together. They are pure and essential in the world of art and color theory. Blue is the color of the ocean and the sky. It represents calmness, serenity, and depth. Imagine the vastness of the ocean and the endless sky above. Blue is often associated with tranquility and peace. Yellow is the color of the sun and bananas. It symbolizes happiness, energy, and warmth. Think about the bright, cheerful sun shining down on a beautiful day, or the delicious, ripe bananas that bring a smile to your face. Yellow is a color that radiates positivity and joy. What happens when we mix them? Let's find out. Mixing colors is like conducting a little experiment. You never know exactly what shade you will get until you try it. It's a process of discovery and creativity. We'll take our paintbrush and mix the blue and yellow together. Watch closely as the colors start to blend. The blue and yellow will slowly merge, creating a new color right before our eyes. Remember to mix it well. The more you mix, the more uniform the new color will be. It's important to blend the colors thoroughly to see the true result of the combination. Wow, look at that. Blue and yellow make green. Green is a secondary color created by mixing two primary colors. It's amazing to see how two different colors can come together to form something entirely new. Green is the color of grass and trees. It represents nature, growth, and renewal. When you look around, you can see green everywhere in the natural world. It's a color that signifies life and vitality. Wait a minute, what's that hiding in the green paint? It's a dinosaur. Sometimes when you mix colors, you might find unexpected surprises. This little dinosaur adds an element of fun and excitement to our color mixing adventure. Mixing colors is full of surprises. Each time you mix colors, you can discover new shades and hues. It's a wonderful way to explore your creativity and see the world in a different light. So grab your paints and brushes and start your own color mixing journey today. For our next color mixing adventure, we'll use red and blue. Red is the color of ladybugs and apples. Blue is the color of blueberries and the sky. What color will they make together? Let's mix them and see. We'll use our paintbrush to mix the red and blue together. Amazing. Red and blue make purple. Purple is the color of grapes and lavender. It's a magical color. Look closely. There's a magic wand in the purple paint. Mixing colors is so much fun. Number 5. Can you guess what color it will be? Now it's your turn. Let's play a guessing game. If we mix yellow and blue, what color will we get? That's right. Yellow and blue make green. You're a color mixing superstar. Blippi's color mixing song. Let's sing a song about mixing colors. Sing in a lively tune. Red and yellow, mix them together, what do we get? Orange like the weather. Blue and yellow, swirl them with care. Green appears like grass everywhere. Red and blue, a magical sight. Purple we make, shining so bright. Our friends mix colors. Look, our friends are mixing colors too. They're having so much fun. They're making all sorts of colors just like us. Mixing colors is even more fun with friends. Blippi's Magic Color Cup. For the grand finale, I have a special surprise. It's my magic color cup. Let's see what color we can make. I'm going to put some secret colors inside. Can you guess what they are? Now it's time to shake the cup. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da, it's pink. The magic color cup never disappoints. Keep exploring colors. Wow, we had so much fun mixing colors today. Remember, there's a whole rainbow of